guys, so in this video I'll show you how to use countdown on Instagram. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up your Instagram, and after that you have to click on your story. Then you have to create a story according to your preference. And after that you have to click on the sticker icon right next to the text, and here you can see the option of countdown. You just have to click on this, and here you can name the countdown. For example, I am naming it as a birthday, and after that you have to set end date and time. For example, first of all you have to choose the end date. For example, I am selecting it to 23 October. At the top you can see the option of a color wheel. You can select the color according to your preference. For example, I am turning it to purple, and after that you have to click on done. Okay, so guys, now we will see what does a timer do. When you apply a timer to your Instagram story, your followers can set up the timer in their mobile phones or any of the devices which they are using, and as soon as the timer is over, all of the followers which have turned on the timer will receive a notification, and they will be reminded about the countdown. Okay, so guys, this brings me in the end of the video. Hope you guys like this video of using the countdown on your Instagram story. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.